All right, so I used to do this all the time back in the day, and I'm going to start basically helping companies improve what they're doing. This is Rise, um, and here is something that they could do really easy to improve this. So this is interesting here. I think it takes up a little bit too much space. I would make it smaller, like half a page, right? Seems like a lot of territory for that, right? Just seems too much. You could shorten this all up. Why am I looking at the guy's crotch? Right? The picture's interesting. I think the picture is kind of dumb, right? I'm looking at a guy's friggin' ripped jeans, got a watch on. I don't understand what this has to do with anything. Um, so that needs to be fixed. And then right here, right, what they could easily do is they could make this slightly smaller, and then you could have a one-liner. What is it? What is Tempest? It is the so-and-so of so-and-so. What is Draft Kings, right? It is the beer of the people. What's clear? I have no idea. They could put in the one phrase, and usually all these startups have a one-liner. What am I? Um, and this, okay, and third thing, so that's three things I'm going to help you out. There's a lot more I'd fix here. Is instead of this popping out to a new page, right? Going to a new page. Um, Instead, what would be nice, all right, how to fix this is have this when you click on this, have their little 1 minute pitch. Boom, 1 minute pitch, 1 minute pitch. So someone coming here can come here quickly and look at this instead of going to the website, right? Okay. So I don't know if these are companies that they have launched. So this is also sorted by um, places, ventures. Okay. Um, Realized active investments, sector, software, region, all. Okay. So there's just two. All right. So that obviously this is everything, but they could do a little uh, seed, all, all. All right. Um, you could put a little thing here, and then basically what allowed me to do is click here and watch that. All right. There's my my feedback on the website.